Welcome to the Neural Scanning Department. Please follow me for your scheduled appointment.
Clear the hall. Move!
What's the status on bed 3?
We're losing him, Doctor.
Ah, there you are. Welcome to consultation room 3. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
The liver enzymes are spiking. We can't ignore the labs.
But the CT clearly shows it's benign. Look at the report right here.
We need to consider the patient's history.
This visualization highlight the key sequences. We need to focus the training data here.
Confirmed. The model is showing strong predictive results now.
Vitals stabilizing. Sinus rhythm restored.
A new era in medicine begins today.
The Global AI Initiative has officially launched.
Welcome, Miss Kim. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm here to ensure you receive the best care.
Thank you, Doctor. I appreciate that.
Diagnosis confirmed. Evans syndrome. We can begin targeted therapy immediately.
File. Based on your profile, this personalized regimen utilizes nanotechnology to target the affected cells directly.
There you go. Nice and strong.
Oh, I did it. I really did it.
His vitals are stable, and we expect him to make a full recovery.
And when can he expect to go home?
The recovery rate is higher than anticipated.
Indeed. The projection model confirms the efficacy of the new protocol.
Recommend overweighting the portfolio in emerging markets.
Acknowledged, but rejected. Geopolitical instability metrics are peaking. Maintain current allocation.
We got it!
Oh, thank God!
Yay! We saved it!
It feels incredible to be able to walk this far again.
The air is so clean today.
Okay, big guy, let's have a listen to that heart.
The tablet shows your growth is right on track. Any questions about the recovery process?